Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please start your videos.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Start your videos, everyone.
Sir, started. Samara is already started.
Okay, we have done till which question of exercise 4.3?
Sir, sir 3.
We have done till question number 3. Okay, we have to start with question number 4 today. Okay, so Avika, where are you? Avika Agarwal.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Avika, beta, read question number 4. Read it. All of you, please pay attention. I can ask anyone to explain the question. Avika is going to read it.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Avika, read the question.
A company had 3 factories. The first manufactured
6,20,000, 27,000.
27,000 buttons.
Beta,
The
6,27,000.
second manufactured, the first manufactured 6,27,000 buttons. The second manufactured 45
Lakh.
67,200 buttons. And the third manufactured 34 lakh 50,675 buttons. Dave, how many buttons were made by all 3 factories in one day?
Very good. Okay. So, Riddhi Agarwal, are you there? Riddhi Agarwal? Riddhi? Riddhi Agarwal, are you there?
Sir, I can explain.
Okay. Mandav Singh, can you explain the question?
Sir, I can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain the question.
Sir, 4.3 is the first question.
Fourth question. Explain it.
Okay, sir.
What we have to do. Avika
Okay, sir.
just read the fourth question. Abhi padha hai Avika ne.
Okay, sir. Sir, fourth question is, sir, of the
Sir,
solve the following.
Sorry?
Problem wala. Sir, fourth one. Solve the
Exercise
following.
4.3, question 4.
Sir, I can tell, please. Solve the problem. Sir, I can.
Yes, Nihit, you explain.
Okay. Sir, there is 3 company. But there is 3 company. The first company manufactured 6,27,000 buttons in it.
Very good.
And the second company manufactured 45,67,250 buttons in it. And the third company manufactured 50,675 buttons. So how total buttons are there in 3 company? How many total buttons are there in 3 company?
Yes, this is what we have to tell. So what we will do in this, Nihit, What will we do to find the answer?
We
We
will
will
do
add
addition.
all the three numbers. Very good. So
Yes,
there
sir.
is a company, all of you please pay attention. There is a company which has three factories. तीनों factories में कुछ number of buttons manufacture होते हैं. Manufacture मतलब बनाए जाते हैं. Okay. The meaning of manufacture is बनाना. English वाला बनाना नहीं, हिंदी वाला बनाना. So the company manufactures buttons in three factories, and different buttons are manufactured in one day in each of the factory. You have to find the total number of buttons manufactured in all the three factories together. So that means we have to add all the three numbers given in the question. Okay, so let us
Excuse
start.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this we have to write a question also.
No. You don't have to write the question. We will only write these statements. Okay, so question 4. The first statement, number of buttons manufactured in the first factory. Number of buttons manufactured in first factory. Okay. How many buttons were manufactured in the first factory? Let us see.
Sir, the buttons are
4 lakh.
6,27,000.
Sorry, no, sorry.
And
6,27,000.
yes, sir.
6,27,000 buttons are manufactured in the first factory. Similarly, write for the second factory, third factory also, and then find the total number of buttons manufactured. Give the answer in 3 minutes. Find the total number of manufactured. Write all the statements like this. I have given the first statement for an example. Okay, write all the
Okay, sir.
statements and find the answer. 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next question.
So I can tell you the answer of this one.
Yes.
So the answer is 54,000. Sir, 54 lakh 39,272.
How
So
much?
the answer
50?
is 54,037 lakh 42.
I'm right. I'm not writing all this. Please keep your videos on. Why do you all keep your videos off?
Sir, Arnab said the answer is
Arnav Singh, Divyansh Patel, Avika, Arif Sharma,
my
Advika,
answer is coming
everyone, please start your
54,000.
videos.
Sir,
Okay.
my answer is coming 54 lakh 39,272.
Yes. Okay, I will just do it. I'm only doing the addition statements. I hope you all have written on your own. I'm only doing the addition. 6,27,000 plus 45 lakh 67,250. 45 lakh 67,250. Second factory, third factory, 34 lakh 50,000. 34 lakh 50,675. So total number of buttons, let us find out. 5, 2, 1, 9, 14, 4, 1, 3, 9, 5, 14 again, 1, 5, 5, 5, 15 plus 1, 16, 6, 1, 4, 4, 8, 86 lakh 44,925 buttons were manufactured in a day.
Sir,
If
I
you
have network,
combine all,
so I can my camera.
yes. So this is the answer. Okay. Understood, all of you? Adeshika, have you done the question? Please turn on your mic, Adeshika, and tell. Yes, have you done? Your voice is not coming, beta. Adeshika. I can't hear you.
Sir, Arif Sharma have network issue, so I can't not open my
Okay.
camera.
Okay. Question number 5. I hope everyone has done question 4. Adya Bhatia, have you done question 4?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us start question 5. A city has 14,65,205 females and 17,34,904
Sir, please share
children.
it for 1 minute.
Sorry,
Sir, please share question for 1 minute.
you want to see question 4?
Yes, sir.
I have not written all these statements. Here, some more statements will also come. I have not written all the statements. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this statement is there. Some more statements will also come. Okay, number of buttons in the first factory, number of buttons in the second factory, number of buttons in the third factory, manufactured in the third factory. First, second, third, तीनों factories के statements आएंगे. Second, third. Okay. So how many in the second? 45 lakh 67,250. 34 lakh 50,675 in the third one. So now you find the total number of buttons. total number of buttons manufactured by the company, वो ये हमने solve कर लिया. So this is the answer. Okay. Understood? Total number of buttons equal to 86,44,925. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question.
Sir, we can do reasoning.
Beta, reasoning syllabus is over. We have completed reasoning syllabus. Question number 5. A city has 14,65,205 females, 17,34,904 children. It has 5,23,671 more males than females. What is the total population of the city? Very good question. So number of females in the city. Number of females equal to 14,65,205 females. Number of children, number of children, 17,34,904. Number of males आपको given नहीं है. Number of males are 5,23,671 more than the number of females. तो number of females में अगर आप 5,23,671 ऐड करेंगे then you will get the number of males. So 14 number of females कितनी है? 14,65,205 plus now you add number of females से कितने ज्यादा है males? 5,23,671 ये ऐड करेंगे हम तो हमको number of males पता चलेंगे. So add the two numbers. I'm adding here 205 plus 523,671. Adding the two numbers. So 678,891. So number of males हो गए 19,88,876. 19,88,876. These are the number of males. Now the total population of the city. Total population कैसे निकलेगी? Total population, you will add all the females, all the children and all the males. सबको add कर देंगे. We will get the total population. That means 14,65,205 plus number of children. That means 17,34,904 plus number of males. Number of males कितने हैं? 19,88,876. Add all the three numbers. 1465205, 173,904 plus 1988876. So add all the three numbers. 15, 1, 8, 11 plus 8, 19, 1, 10 plus 8, 18, 1, 10 plus 8 again 18, 1, 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 is 21, 2, 5. So this means 51 lakh 51,88,000 का आंसर आ गया 51,88,985. This is the total population of the city. Do it. Keep your videos on. Have you all understood the question? All of you? Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Advika, are you writing in your copy? Advika Gupta?
Yes, sir.
Avika Agarwal, are you writing in the copy?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Naman Lakshya Parchani, sorry. Lakshya Parchani, are you writing in the copy?
Yes, sir.
Keep your videos on, everyone. Start your videos. Advika, Naman, Arnav, Avika. Adeshika, Lakshya, Krishna Jaiswal, Ritvik, Riddhi, keep your videos on. Yes, done, everyone. So this exercise is completed. Let us now start exercise 4.4. All of you, be ready for the next exercise 4.4. Have you all noted the question in your copies? Question 5. Okay, let's start question exercise 4.4. Here we have to do subtraction. These questions are to be done in the copies. Subtraction questions. So exercise 4.4, question A. Subtract the following numbers. 67,413 minus 30, first part, 31, sorry, 35,815. So 67413 minus 35815. So do the subtraction. 13 minus 5, 8. 10 minus 1, 9. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. So this is 31,598. 31,900,
Sir,
sorry,
sir,
598.
this we have to do in our notebook.
Yes, you have to do this in your notebook. Exercise 4.4 in notebook. ये लिख दिया मैंने. Exercise 4.4 to be done in the notebook. Okay. Now do the second part. All of you, do the second part on your own. Start doing.